Hey guys, so what's the plan for today? Well, the plan for today is we're going to go and explore a secret waterfall in Costa Rica. This waterfall is hidden. You have to go on an arduous journey to get there. However, that's our plan. So the first thing we have to do is we have to hire a bike. So I'm going to go hire a bike, and then we're going to ride it up to the waterfall, and then we have to park the bike up, walk through a stream, walk to a river, and then we can start walking up to the actual waterfall. So we're going to see what it looks like. We're going to see if it's as beautiful as a secret waterfall should be. So let's go and check it out. I'll see you guys at the bike rental place. Okay, so I'm just arriving to the bike rental place now. It's a pretty cool place. Look at this. They sell surfboards. You can rent out some surfboards here if you like. Look at this. Some surfboards, playing some Rasta music. So I'm just going to ask the guy if he's here, and I can ask to hire a bike. Hola. Hola, amigo. Yo necesito una bicicleta. ¿Está bien? Okay, so he's just coming over now. Just asked him to hire a bike. So I'm going to hire one, hopefully one that's got some gears, and then we can take it up to the waterfall. Hola. Hola. Okay guys, so he's just offered me this bike here. So let's take it up to the waterfall and see how it is. Okay, so I'm just riding the bike now. Feels pretty sturdy. Feels pretty good. So hopefully we'll get us there in one piece. Right guys, we've just locked up the bikes, and the rest of the journey we have to go by foot. It's not possible to bike there, and I've just been told that the only way to get to this secret waterfall is by crossing this. So I'm gonna do that now, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take my shoes off here, hold them nice and high, and then I'm going to look after my camera, hopefully. Yeah, this requires intense concentration. And quite high up. Water, quite fast flowing water. So, you know, got to stay focused in these times. Don't want to drop my camera. Yeah, it's pretty scary stuff. We're about down up to the waist now. Shoes still in hands. Almost there, guys. Victory is close. Okay. On to the next part of the journey to find the secret waterfall in Costa Rica. Just check out the state of this place. I mean, it's so beautiful. We're deep in the jungle or the rainforests in Uvita. I think we're getting pretty close to the waterfall now. Another 5-minute walk. It's been a long journey. It's been a difficult one, but it should be worth it. This waterfall is supposed to be pretty special. It's pretty secret. I don't think anyone's going to be there. So I'm very excited to see, and I'm very excited to show you guys what a secret Costa Rican waterfall looks like. So yeah, let's continue with the journey. Guys, we have arrived at the river that leads us to the secret waterfall. We finally got here. It was a bit of a journey. We're not finished yet, but check this out, guys. It's really special. Right guys, I'm not wasting any time. I've waited long enough. I'm gonna go and try and find the waterfall. I've been told that it is through here. I have to follow the stream up, and then I can find the waterfall and I can swim in it. So wish me luck. I'm gonna show you guys the way, and hopefully you're gonna find the secret waterfall of Costa Rica. Guys, check it out. I'm in some pretty fast flowing water here, but I will do it for the vlog. I will show you guys the waterfall. I'll do anything to get you guys there. So don't worry, rain or shine, slippery or not, dangerous or not, you guys are gonna see this waterfall. Now it doesn't look like much of a path here, but I've been told by the locals that this is the way to the secret waterfall. So I think if we just follow this river up, we should hopefully find it. Let's hope it doesn't get too deep. Let's hope I can get my camera there okay. Wow. I don't know if you can see, but look there in the distance. I think we have found the waterfall. Not this one, guys. Behind it, up here. Let's go and check it out. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am right now. This waterfall looks amazing. Unreal. The secret waterfall of Costa Rica does not disappoint. It's pretty difficult to get here, but let me tell you something. It is special. It is something special. I've just got to work my way up these rocks here, which is not so easy. Okay guys, get ready. Standing before me is a beautiful waterfall. I can't wait to show you this, guys. This is amazing. You can probably hear it getting pretty loud on the camera. But anyway, check it out. Here we go.